Guys, I'm here in Chabahar, Baluchistan, Iran, and headed to the Mud Volcano here. It's smaller compared to Pakistan, but it's good as well. So here it is, Mud Volcano in Iran. So heading up now. Let's go here. Piece of cake.
Yeah. Don't get to that area. It can be a little risky.
I know, it's hot. So this is what they call the mud, the hot mud puddle. But it's quite inactive. It's the surroundings. Isn't that?
That's the Dana.
Like slushy. It's like you have to be careful. I mean, it's not that bad. You can slide, but
I think they get maybe more rain.
yeah, and it's slushy.
Yeah.
But it's hotter there than here. This is nothing. This is nothing. There it's hotter. When you go to the Mud Volcano, it's like much hotter. But this is good. This is decent. This is decent.
Oh, this one take it.
That's okay. It's decent.
Oh, wait a minute. Come on. Oh my gosh. Hey, we are very lucky, you know. I didn't see that much as we had seen here.
You have to wait for 5 or 10 minutes and it comes.
Even we waited for a longer time. اون گل اونقدر زده بالا، یعنی اینجا چقدر جریان داره که اونقدر گل یعنی پرت میکنه اینطوری؟
نه لای میاد پایین لای پاکستان میشه میشه رودخونه فرار میکنه
جریان دستشان دقیقا ها؟
این گل میشه که بالای که داریم اون فرار میکنه ولوپاتی میبینه
دیگه چی بالا نمیتونه بره درسته؟
چرا؟ من خودم اومدم بالا از این سمت
من خوش بود اومدی بالا
این سمتش خوش بشه از این سمت جریان داره 17 ولی 16 این سمتش رو آرام
به سرعت میزنه گله
آره مثل جو
یه رودخونه هست
آره.
اینجا
این مسیره میبینی